La 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 la. A microphone. A microphone. A microphone. Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I am the bombest. I'm a little tired. Still a little tired. Day 9 of the sticky icky. Um, most of this is gone. I think I just got my allergies left, and then a little bit of a cough. Hacking up some stuff. Still, it's mostly gone. It wasn't bad. This time around at the rodeo, it wasn't bad. Tired, still tired AF. Slept like a baby last night. And added magnesium to my diet. Helps me sleep a lot better. It helps you shut your brain down. If you're one of those people, this isn't medical advice. If you're one of those people, can't shut your brain down at night. I think I saw a video from one of those YouTube doctors that said you have magnesium deficiency. I kind of remember that. I don't know. They say basically magnesium is the weed of minerals. It cures everything. All right. Oh, I'm actually early. What the hell? All right, we got like 40 seconds till the market opens. Let's pop on over to the desktop. It's gonna be a quick one, boys and girls. I don't got much to talk about. Every time I say that, I end up going the hour and a half. But I really like this market is boring as hell. We got the CPI data tomorrow. I got a theory on when the stock market and Bitcoin can crash. I'll get into that in a second. I'm just kind of waiting for the bell right now so I can do a ding, 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 ding. Oh, pre-market, the Nasdaq's down 90. E-mini S&P's down 8. Those used to be monster moves. Now that's basically flat. What's crude oil doing? Crude oil is up to 90, almost $92 a barrel. Let's chill the hell out, crude oil. We don't need you back over 100. Bitcoin's down. Down about $600, $700 on the futures. It's been down about 800 plus. It was over 24,000 yesterday, if I remember correctly. I was beginning to wonder if me being patiently waiting for another dip has been a mistake. I'm still thinking that just because Bitcoin's down 800 bucks. We got a ding, 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 ding. A ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. All right, we're off. The Nasdaq's trying to rally a little, I guess. What was it down before? Did I say 90? Oh, no, it's still at 90. Is there anything we can do right now? Let's take a look at our positions. I considered selling a covered call in Tesla yesterday. Should have done that. It was up well over 900. Now it's kind of down on its butt. The market's looking a little tanky. The market's looking a little heavy right now. Let's get in. Ah, dude, come on, Tom. Do you really want to do this? This is such a bad mistake. I'm thinking about shorting a mini NASDAQ. See if we can get some follow through here. Man, that thing can rebound just as quickly though. Yeah, this is just straight DJing gambling right now. You think some of these plays like buying Findora over in Crypto's DGen, just throwing money at a random short or long in the NASDAQ is just freaking DGen. DGen AF. I'm not gonna do it. It's just like it is just total. Like you have a gambling problem. You have a freaking I just idle hands are the devil. Is that how it goes? How much Oh my goodness. How much longer? How much longer is this shit gonna last? Well, guess what? It could last several more months. Like 18 plus. Well, they say the bottom will be about November. So let's see. Ooh, I'm getting excited because I can sniff Puma season in the air. It's about 60 days out. All right, that's one of the things I tell myself to get myself because I cannot wait for Puma season. All right, August, September, October, November. So we're about 90 days out from the cyclical bottom of Bitcoin. But the thing is, it's not like Bitcoin just starts rocketing. So I mean, we're gonna reach a bottom around here. It didn't we reached a bottom in like November, and it lasted till March. So November, December, like another 5 months after the bottom of just accumulation. And then it finally started rallying. So what are we, like 7 months away potentially? Oh my goodness. I will say we got a long way to go to make up from this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. So this rally could be pretty strong. Could be pretty strong, I guess. I mean, we got to get to, yeah, man, by like, is this right? By November, Bitcoin should be 46,000. So I don't know, man. Either this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve needs to adjust big time, or this thing's broke AF. Well, we got a long way to go just to get to the bottom of this. And Bitcoin historically has only been below this, during the sticky, icky, and a little bit after. So it's weird, man. This is really weird. This is a hard thing to figure out. I mean, we should theoretically be at like 39,000 today. I think someone recently, Chase or JP Morgan, said they thought the fair value of Bitcoin was 39,000. I wonder if they're just some Yahoo that's just looking at the freaking Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. All right, let's see real quick. My Palantir position down a little bit. Not worried about that. My shop still flat. I'm itching to put something on. Nah, I think. All right. So my clickbait title. This is when Bitcoin's gonna crash. Watch before. Watch before win, Tom. Well, everyone, I'm taking it to the next level. Everyone always puts it in watch before like Wednesday or something. But if I put it in watch before and then I just leave you hanging, you never know. You're going to be like, God damn. So I have a theory. Tomorrow's CPI data. I have a theory. Sell the rumor. No, buy the rumor, sell the news. Everyone and their mother's expecting inflation to come back a little bit. They've been thinking that for a while, and the markets don't trade on the news of yesterday. The market trades on the news of tomorrow. And the news of tomorrow is CPI data is going to be pulling back. Like inflation's going to be like 9% or 8.9% or some I don't even know what it's expecting. See if we can find that. What month are we in? A lottie, dottie. Oh, Jesus Christ, with all these cookies thing. Like, is that some kind of regulation now where you have to tell people about cookies? Gee, I need a pop up that just says, you know what? Like, what happens if you don't accept cookies? I'm a freaking, like a highly skilled network and system engineer, but cookies baffle me. I know they collect your data and remember your shit, and I'm not an expert on whether you should be not accepting your cookies, accepting your. I just don't. It's too much fucking effort, man. It's like the junk mail of freaking internet. That and ads are getting out of control, but that's another thing that drives me insane. You wanna make the planet more eco-friendly? Outlaw junk mail. Like there's so much junk mail in my mailbox, and it's impossible. You go paperless. Even that, like you have to jump through like 37 hoops just to get your credit card. Not that your bill might be paperless, but we're gonna still send you offers for home loans and shit. Uh, does this have any predictions? Not really. Predicted CPI, predicted. What is the expected inflation rate for August? Rates of inflation are expected to remain high. Uh, no, 4 days ago. What? God damn. It's supposed to, that's what it did. Interest rates is expected to be 8.5% by the end of this quarter. Well, that's down from like 9.1. Has inflation peaked? On Wednesday, the Bureau of Labor Statistics releases its Consumer Price Index for July. Economists predict a rise of 8.7% year over year compared to 9.1 in June. All right. So everyone's expecting it to be 8.7. Well, if it's higher than 8.7 and the market's trading for 8.7, that's going to be no bueno. Um I don't can you like have any faith in these numbers though? All right. So, yeah, tomorrow's going to be interesting. Has Capo spoken yet? He's been really quiet lately. A Lottie and Dottie. Yeah, Capo's on lockdown. Is he gonna be talking about his popcorn and all this shit tomorrow? Probably not. But anyway, yeah, buy the rumors, sell the news. Uh, there's like a 60-70% chance we go down tomorrow. Like, buy the rumors, sell the news. Inflation beat is at 8.7%, 8.6% maybe, 8.8%. And we buy the rumors, sell the news. You know, this relief rally loses its legs. Inflation comes in at like 9%, 9.1, or shit goes up. Oh, dude. That's a shit storm you don't want to be caught in. You know, what are the chances inflation comes in like well below, like 8.5, 8.4, and probably not much of a chance there. Now, I personally have been of the opinion inflation is going to ease off. Again, I talk about opening your eyes when you go out shopping. Gas prices are coming back. How much do your groceries cost you? You know, things like that. So you can see it at the checkout. If you pay attention, if you're one of those people that are really good at remembering prices and shit, you know, remember what you pay for this, remember what you pay for that, remember what you generally I remember the prices of everything I buy. Toilet paper, I buy the 30 packs at Costco. Them bitches are like $18.99. They used to be $16.99. My pizza crusts are like $7.19. They used to be $6.49. I mean, I can do this all day long. My pizza sauces have gone up like 30 cents. The cheese has stayed the same, which is interesting. Let's see. My LaCroix have gone up a decent amount. My bubblies have gone up. I think they used to be in 12 packs or now in 8 packs. That one I'm not sure of. That's one where you see that shit a lot. Um, the one that really grinded my gears. I'm not even gonna say this one out loud. But it was like a lot of places do this. Like eventually, you can't shrink the package that much more. It's already getting ridiculous. Same price, but shrink the amount of ounces you get. Shit like that. Uh, like it on one of them on the bottle. Like even the bottle was like way smaller. I'm just like, obscure that shit. Make the bottle of the same, but you just can't see what's in it or something. I don't freaking know. But they got ways of tricking you, for sure, for sure. I mean, on a lot of food, it's a good thing because fat Americans need to start losing weight. The food our own gluttony, greed in the United States. The food companies do everything they can to make the food as tasty and addicting as possible, so that you just eat, eat, and eat, and they don't give a shit about how bad it is for you. The food industry is just as bad as the cigarette industry. I don't think it's not. The food industry is killing more people a year probably than I would bet hands down than the cigarette industry. But it's all about that money, son. All right, enough about that. That is my theory. Buy the rumor, sell the news. If inflation comes in where it's expected, I bet we sell off. If inflation comes in higher than expected, I bet we sell off. If inflation comes in way better than expected, maybe we pump up. The sell off could be pretty bad if there's, well, in Bitcoin, because them longs are big dick in it right now. Those longs are beating their chest, thinking it's getting ready to moon again. Let me tell you something. If you're YOLOing into Bitcoin longs right now, you are a freaking idiot. It ID10T. You have the ID10T error. That's a tech joke. You may or may not get it. But if you write out ID10T on a piece of paper, I think you'll get it. There's nothing there's nothing going on. Like if you're a short term, you look at the minute chart and you trade Bitcoin. You've read what's his face? Plan B. I still want to read that when I get I do have brain fog, quite a bit of brain fog still. I'm gonna read that once that clears up. I want to see what this guy's got going on with trading Bitcoin on the RSI. But if you're checking the 4-hour charts and zooming in and you're trying to scalp it, first of all, you're probably going to lose your money unless you're really, really good. A lot of YouTubers out there will give you hope, give you faith that you can do it. That they probably can't even do it. They just want the clicks. They act like they can. Find a YouTuber that'll show you every trade they do, open the books for you, prove it. I'm not saying that there's not a couple YouTubers out there can do it, but it's impossible. The market, you make mistakes. Look at me in the camera. Look at me now. Look at me in the camera and tell me you never make stupid mistakes in the market, whether it's crypto or stocks. It's so easy to just make a mistake in the market on a long-term trade, or just do something stupid, or just, click a trade and, oh shit, that costs you a little bit of money. It's easy to make mistakes every now and then. It costs you a lot of money. When you start leveraging long and short and shit like that, it is easy to make mistakes to, take it against you. And I will tell you that getting into a long or short, leverage long, leverage short, 50-50 chance. 50-50 chance. 50% chance you're right, 50% chance you're wrong. Just like gambling, the house always wins because guess what? There's a carrying cost. You have to pay to keep that leverage long on. You have to pay, usually, you have to pay to keep that leverage short on. And it's going to go against you. And, you get greedy, the mechanics, this and that. You know what? Go find out for yourself. I've yet to ever talk to anyone in my entire life that was successful buying options or trading futures or leveraged long crypto. It's a unicorn. It's a white unicorn. Again, there's a couple people on YouTube that say they can do it. I think they're full of shit. Prove me wrong. The challenge is out. Prove me wrong, and I'll eat 3 tubes of terror. I'm kidding. Eating 3 tubes of terror would kill me. Eating 1 tube of terror would kill me. Prove me wrong, and I will tattoo your name on my chest with a heart. A big fat heart and your name. I'm kidding. I won't do that either. All right. Like I said, this is going to be a quick one. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's see what's going on in crypto. Bitcoin 23.3. It ain't doing much. Ethereum's still over 1,700. The alts are holding up pretty strong. I mean, percentage-wise, everything's down the same. Solana's still over $41. Cardano at 52. These are all down short percentages. Harmony One. Oh, there's a few on here that are really interesting me. Quant is pulled back a little bit. Everything's down about 2-3%. The one that is like I'm really bummed for not buying, and I'm definitely probably gonna load the boat on some of this if it has another big pullback, is Cadena, man. This shit was at like $2.30 tomorrow yesterday, I think. But we were looking at this last week when it was at $1.50. It's up nice. Rose is still doing really well. I'm up about, I don't know, 30-40% on that one. Kind of wish I would have yielded more into that. Anything else on here? 8 at $7. Matic at 90. Osmosis hanging tough over $1. AVAX has been really strong. AVAX and Phantom have been. Atom really freaking strong. It's got a nice little trend line. Is it? Are we still holding the trend lines? I guess we should check that really quick. There's no way I didn't have lines on this chart. What's going on? All my lines disappeared. All my lines disappeared. Ah, what the hell, man? I had some beautiful lines. There we go. Just taking a. Am I on a 14K modem? All right, so this is. I still think there's. Oh, there's my house. This one's missing the hell out of some lines. We need a refresh. Huh. I wonder if I don't know. All right. Oh, wow. Don't call it a comeback. Now, what is up with TradingView and all these line problems? All right, there's the up line, the uptrend line. Are we holding it? That'd be pretty impressive if we are. We come all the way down. Yep, we came all the way down and we're holding it. I am actually really impressed by that. There is no way this stays. Well, tomorrow is going to be Judgment Day. So if it continues to hold after tomorrow, that will be extremely impressive. Extremely impressive. Ethereum's probably doing the same thing. I mean, if you've been trading off this trend line, maybe you have been successful. Same thing. Ethereum's holding the upline. Cardano. I know I put a line on here, but it's holding. Solana, DeFi, Fobana, Solana's holding. Polkadot, very short term, but holding. Harmony One. Oh my goodness. Harmony One's, yeah, there's not really. Atom, very impressive trend line right there. Very strong. I'm very impressed with Atom right now. Phantom, uptrend line, near, very strong. AVAX, same thing. All right, everyone. That is going to be a quick one. I will be back tomorrow, 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there. You're an F and Square. Love you all, and peace.